King can't find any big cup to drink his tea.
King, how would that? Tanga, are you? Ah, boy. Yes, sir. So let me ask you a question. How how breeze blow you, yeah? Eh? Yesterday me book you and me give you $10,000. So or you and not because me tell you if you can't check me, you find me yard so soon. Eh? Eh? And the tea me there drink you couldn't even wait till afternoon if you come here, you come so early. And the tea me there drink. Merkel, pass 2 crackers they give me because me not feel too good at all. I tell you, say tanga me, I tell you, say one piece of gas take me up the wicked me, I tell you. Hey. I'm back in the day when we used to grab property, then did have some big cup. But me don't know where happened the cup then cut down to size. Eh? I want yogurt container me if I use now because I can't find no big cup. I tell you, brother, I tell you, say, everything cut down to size. Everything gone down. From the food go right down to all the utensils them. Eh? You never can find one big spoon again. Eh? All tablespoon cut down to teaspoon size. You can hardly find the right type of thing them. So King, what kind of tea you there drink now? So let me ask you one question. A tea you want? Well, a little clove tea me there drink. I mean, when you not drink them the type of tea they pear coffee. Pear coffee you drink. Oh, you not believe in a nothing herbal. Pear coffee. So let me ask you a question. Tanga. When last you go bush go look chocolate and coffee? Eh? Because I know you did have a lot of the property there where you used to live. Oh, you know, live this again? Then how where you live now? Eh? Oh, you mean say somebody you catch with and you have you pitney them and foreign and you catch with people? But let me see if me hears that. Oh, you live with your daughter. Oh, your daughter. Oh, because me wonder if me hears that give me trouble. Because if you skin like trouble, you know. As me tell you Friday, day say me not see too good. But me know say me no need no hearing aid. But me know say the glasses you want change. Eh? Oh. Alright. So where you come out now? Eh? You go up a shop and you ask me if me have any $2,000 I can lend you? Then listen to me now. Then if you're not work, how you go get it back for give me? Eh? And I just see them me give you $10,000. No make me this a dual penny and a dual penny so man. Because me not like to give people things and talk over it. Eh? Oh, all right then. Merkel. Merkel. Look on that mattress there, you see me have some money, they take out $2,000 can come make me get tanga there. And listen to me now. No come back. Don't come back. No make me have to face it with you. See if you call it picking them where you got a foreign and make them know say you're not living well and if you send something can't give you. Okay? Alright.